Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on ARBITRUM cryptocurrency, which is performing quite well, and I did wanted to share with you some December discussion on the topic. We do have it on cryptocurrency tops. ARBITRUM is successful right now, printing a $278 million volume for the past 24 hours, sitting slightly above $1 with a 7% increase for the past 7 days. We have some great details to share with you. At the same time, for those of you that are interested, we have a one-on-one coaching. I'm going to talk about it at the end. This is for people that are serious about the business and would like to take it to the next level, as well the done-for-you trading, completely outsourced, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. By the way, you can schedule up a free call with me on Calendly on any topic. So let's see what's going on with ARBITRUM today on one-day candlesticks. And we have been putting together a price prediction video right here, which is most likely aiming for December prediction 2023, of course, and touching bases with the details on a larger scale. We clearly see that ARBITRUM performed a double bottom, which is an amazing well-performing indication of an upcoming bullish market condition. This bullish market condition has been confirmed with the breakout on an environment line of the bears. It was a trending resistance environment line consisting 190 days of price action activity, which is a lot. It also generated a 52% decrease till the breakout time, which is again a lot. Confirming all these things by completing basically the breakout above the previous supply level, which is now currently acting as a support. We have the fixed range volume profile indicator attached as well, that is sharing with us horizontally a red line, which is telling us that's a key level of reaction. So transform that key level into your support and have it binding you with buying pressure. Or if it's keeping you under bearishness, then it will act against very, very strongly. Now, in a market situation that has very, very meaningful bullish signs, we must consider the fact that the key levels are often transformed and being basically caught up by the bulls. This is going to be a very strong ability out here for ARBITRUM to push for $1.40, $1.45 golden ratio at the top. Now, what does it mean? Well, in the way we have reacted right now, especially 3 days ago with that very strong buying pressure appearing, this is just a great sign at the end of the moment. Even though the bull flag pattern appears and the continuation has started, this is another great momentum that we're actually walking through. One thing that I actually love is the demand level we have here, which has been represented by me a long time ago on the charts, which is the place where we have actually strongly reacted in the markets. Now, the next target and the next task for us is to touch basically the supply zone located between 1.3 and 1.35. A retracement from the supply to the previous top will be necessary by forming a great bouncing in the market, liquidity, and a structure that from the price action wise is preparing itself to go towards the golden ratio. This golden ratio is going to take a lot of the guys out of the way, especially the ones that are shorting, believing that ARBITRUM has no ability to climb itself back to the major levels. They are going to enjoy shorting the markets when we touch the supply at 1.3, 1.35, and then simply just find themselves in liquidations across the board, which will generate them big losses. So 1.4, 1.45 is going to be great to be touched, and then obviously you can revisit basically your previous supply current demand, which will have to transform itself and act as a support, and you can continue. You have a free way right afterwards towards 1.8. So the preparation needs to be quite heavy between 1.3 and 1.45 in order to have the ability to gain enough volume towards 1.8. I do not enjoy the price action that is moving in a hurry up way, and it's not preparing sufficiently for the fight against the bears in order to touch those big targets. The problem with such type of behavior is that the market will not have sufficient consistency to push towards the high targets if it doesn't build it. Think about an exercise that you would like to do for which you need to prepare, and you want to go to a contest. right? A contest of a whatsoever type of muscle exercise. You need to prepare in order to handle the entire contest. You might be able to complete 20% of it, even though the targets that you are setting yourself could be higher, because the preparation you had prior of the contest, you're only able to complete 20% of your exercises. So this is also appearing with the cryptos that need a preparation stage, technically speaking, in order to perform. And this is usually the zigzag type of liquidity grabbing process, which we're all calling it extremely efficient. That do not scares us, and it's most likely organic and absolutely necessary and mandatory for upcoming growth. So even the current decrease we had for Arbitrum is something needed, guys. It was 23%. I'm sure people lost money, got liquidated, but that's, again, a problem not generated by Arbitrum. That's a problem appearing from a different place, which can be corrected by the person that suffered that. Once again, folks, before you proceed with a trade, you need to learn how to trade. Whether we talk about part-time, full-time, day trading, derivatives, spot, futures, leverage, whatever. Things gotta be learned at a very, very professional way. Otherwise, this business is difficult. To be honest with you, trading is a very difficult thing. Active trading and making extra money is something that offers you the ability to make it from your home, from any place in the world, by traveling, by doing that, by doing the other. But at the same time, it do not comes with a cheap price. It comes with an expensive price of education that is needed. So that's pretty much all on the topic. If you think this is a great option, one-on-one with me, been trading since 2014, and you might find this useful, make sure to check out, have a quick conversation with me on Calendly, and we take it from there. As well, the ability for you to participate in my Done For You trading. What do I trade for myself? I can perform as well. You can check that out and you can have a good time on the topic. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to follow me. Have a good time, folks.